Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage, and today we're going to do a walk around the 67 Camaro. We're just now wrapping up. We did a full frame off restoration on this. Painted it a marina blue. Turned out pretty nice for us. Got them BFGs on there. We put about 100 miles on the car. Went ahead and went through everything, checked all the nuts and bolts, made sure everything was good and tight. Took care of any rattles and squeaks and stuff like that. We also did the interior in this car. We normally don't do that, but the owner was in a time crunch. So we went ahead and took care of it for him. Old Camaros got some of the best lines in the business. Just love the way they look. About the only thing about this car I'm not crazy about is how high the rear end sets. But we're hoping once we get a little bit more mileage on it, it'll settle down. If not, we'll tweak that out, make it a little bit better. Do the old spray can check on the paint job. If you can read the spray can, you know that the paint job's good. It's looking pretty good for us. This car's got a 12 bolt and a posi, Muncie 4-speed and a 327. Got the wood steering wheel. Still a little dirty, but you'll have that on them big jobs. Door shut good. We'll go ahead and take a quick look underneath. Didn't turn out too bad. Go ahead and take a look at the motor real fast. Little 327, got a little bit of a cam in it. Perfect for the street. Enough to have some fun with, but not too much that's gonna be unreliable for you. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed watching. Get out there and work on your own stuff. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Alright, ma'am.
This is a good shot right here, Scotty. Good shot anywhere you see
This is the sad part of the project. When they leave. Gonna make me cry. Until you bring another one, right?
I'll bring another one.
There you go.
I want to do it.
Everybody, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button.